Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me somebody else's video that does it in a short without talking, only music, and they can't quite get this. Now, I've done this exact same video, but I've never had any shadowing on this side, and it's a pretty good idea. And I had to really watch what the gentleman was doing. I had to do it a couple of times to get it to work. So start with a number that's even, like 10. Hit P and put it in the center of the page. I don't really think that part matters, but we're going to make the next one Control D and make a duplicate and make it 5. So that way it's even. Now we're going to go up and we're going to select everything. And we're going to go to Effects and Blend. And we're going to blend 6 times. You want an even amount. Now we've got to go to Object and break the blend apart, but then we have to go select it all and go to Object and Group and ungroup it. Now we're going to take this and we're going to hit B like in boy. And at this time, I'm going to group them together, Control G, because I want to be able to move it out of the way. And there's a reason for that. I'm going to take Smart Fill on black, and I'm going to start right here. And that's why you want an even amount, so you'll have an even amount of rings. Now I'm going to move the first one out of the way, and I'm going to move this out of the way. This is a little bit backwards, but I want to group this together, Control G. Now we can actually leave it where we're at, but what we want to do is take a yellow box trick, go up to Object, Order, back a page, because I want to do white in the white spots, because that's what's going to give the illusion of the little shadow. So instead of doing that one, we're going to do just 3 of them. Now we can move the yellow box out of the way. You can't see it. And we're going to move the lines out of the way, but we've got white here and we're going to group them together. Go up to Object and Group and Control G. Now we're going to put them back over there and we've got them selected. So now we can take the interactive fill tool and just do this and see it's just white to white. But if we put a little black, it puts a little bit of shadow in our white because we've got it grouped together. Now, that's the hard part, easy part. Control G to group it all together, Control D to duplicate it, reduce it to 5 inches, if you remember. Mirror it the other direction, and then select them all and hit B. That's how you get that shadowing. Now, several ways to put a shadow, but I always just find to just take an oval and kind of put it below there and fill it with black, take away the outline, go up to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and blur it quite a bit. Now that's really dark, so you can grab the transparency tool and make it a little transparent, so it won't be quite so dark, look like a shadow. And at this time you can lower it or elongate it and make it look like that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.